स्वागत मागता असा यू मी अँड सेलिब्रिटी. आमच्यामध्ये विकीचार येऊनचार असा आर्टिस्टांचे पुरं म्युझिक प्ले करन असता. सो सगळ्यांनी बरी बरी क्वेश्चन रेडी करा. इल्ल्या वेळान केविन सर आमच्यामध्ये जॉईन जाता. आता हे नेक्स्ट येऊनचे सेलिब्रिटीचे सॉंग प्ले करन आसा. ताका एक बरी 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 हाटा दिया. सो ताका एक खुशी जाऊन दी. आणि केविन सर आयिल्ले तर केविन सराकडे बरी बरी क्वेश्चन आहे. सर त्यांची पर्सनल लाईफ जाऊन दी. इंडस्ट्रीन कशे येजे, इंडस्ट्रीन येऊन कशे स्ट्रगल करतात, इंडस्ट्रीन आयिल्ल्या उपरांत कितली बरी बरी एक्सपिरियन्स असतात या बॅड एक्सपिरियन्स असता, कशे इंडस्ट्रीन मुखार वचशेत ते पुरो क्वेश्चन आम्ही केविन सराकडे विचारया. तुमचे बघणा तुमची क्वेश्चन यू मी सेलिब्रिटी ही कार्यक्रमाचे मेन आन्सर ते. सो जाल्ले इतले क्वेश्चन विचारा. फ्यू मिनिट्स आमच्यामध्ये सेलिब्रिटी विकीचार येऊनचार असा. चॅप्टर 2 आईच्यामध्ये यू मी सेलिब्रिटीचे चॅप्टर 2 विथ केविन डिमेल्लो इज वन ऑफ द फाईन आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम गोवा. बेंडकर आणि जावई नंबर 1 दोनांनी बरे ऍक्ट केला. ओके, या आर्टिस्टाचे नाव सांगे ती विकेचे आमच्या नेक्स्ट वीकाच्या सेशनात जॉईन जाऊनच्या या आर्टिस्टाचे नाव सांगा. ग्रेट, तुम्ही टाईप केला. आम्ही तोंड सोडी विचारचे तुम्ही टाईप करून विचारला. इवन सेलिब्रिटी की खुशी जाता तुमची क्वेश्चन विचारूंक. सो सुमार क्वेश्चन बाकी उरनातल्या बरी. सो आमच्या बेंडकाराक आम्ही आपयांगी रेडी की बेंडकाराक आपयचे जाल्यार बरी बरी हाटा दिया. सो बेंडकाराक हांव भितर आपयता आतां फंक्शन राका. एवरीवन बरी बरी
Jason said hello, hi. Hello, Godwin. Marvin Royston joined. Hi, Marvin Royston. Harsh. Benkarache podcast hota. Sir, oi, Harsh.
Okay, everyone, welcome back to chapter 2 with you, me, celebrity with Kevin Gimello. Yeah, we had a great time. Bari kushi jata. Kevin चे experience विचारूंक बरी बरी उलोवंकी. Okay, Kevin, आम्ही सेकंड क्वेश्चन आहे क्या इंडस्ट्रीन आता मुक्त म्हळ्यार कोरियोग्राफर बॉलिवूड सिंगर्स बॉलिवूड जावन येतात. आमकां आता बळे सॉंग सुमार आमी बॉलिवूड जावन तू हे करतात. सो व्हॉट इज युअर सजेशन? आम्ही सर कोंकणीक मुखार हाडीचे म्हणचे. सो व्हॉट इज युअर सजेशन टू डू दॅट?
कोंकणीक मुखार पळय कितें जाणा तूं. आमकां आतां मराठी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आसा, आमकां तमिळ साऊथ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आसा. वी इवन हॅव बेंगॉल, आय मीन ओवर देअर ऑल्सो इंडस्ट्री आसा इन दॅट लँग्वेज ऑल्सो. सगळे लँग्वेजीन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आसा. वाय नॉट इन कोंकणी? कोंकणीन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री स्टार्ट जाल्ली आसा. ऑलरेडी पिक्चरां येयल्ली आसा पयलीं. आमचें नशीब, निर्मोण. मागीर कंटिन्यू कित्याक जावना? बिग क्वेश्चन आसा. पूण आतांची पिक्चरां जी येता, ओके, इफ यू सी खंयची कोंकणी पिक्चर येता, एवरी मुवी इज युनीक, नॉट कम्पेर्ड टू बॉलिवूड, बट कोंकणी हॅज इज ओन स्टायल, ओन कल्चर, अँड हुएवर सीज इट फाइंड्स लॉट ऑफ गोवन, लॉट ऑफ लायक मंगलोर फिल्म्स ऑल्सो फाइंड लॉट ऑफ देअर कल्चर इन इट, विच इज समथिंग युनीक अँड डिफरंट. हे लोकांक लायक जाता, लोकांच्या काळजाक टच जाता. आणि हे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री शुअर हांव तुका सांगता इन नेक्स्ट 5 years इज गोइंग टू पिक अप. इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू पिक अप इफ मुवीज अशे येत रावले जाल्यार.
इवन वी नीड सम यंगस्टर्स टू जॉइन अस फॉर द मूवी इंडस्ट्री. ओके केविन, प्रॉब्लेम काय जाता म्हणल्यार वेन कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीचे बरी बरी फिल्मां या आता ड्रामाटीक मुवीज मुस्त येतात म्हळ्यार इल्ले इमोशनल मुवीज मुस्त येतात इंडस्ट्रीक. बट भुरगीं काले करतात, यंगस्टर्स काले करतात, दे विल गो फॉर अनदर लँग्वेज. आता पोर मँगलोरांत निर्मिले निर्मोण आयले, बँडकार आयले, त्या टाइम सम तुळू मूवी जावन आहले, रन जावन आहले. सो सगळे क्रिस्तांव कोंकणी उलयतली. ऑलमोस्ट त्या मुवीसाक गेले. इवन बेंडकर आयिल्ले वेळार गोंया बरे रेस्पॉन्ड मेळ्ळे बेंडकराक. सो बट 90 to 80% लोक भायल्या लँग्वेज चड प्रिफर करता कोंकणींदा. वॉट वी आर लॅकिंग बिहाइंड?
नथिंग लायक दॅट. काय हे लायक जायना कितें म्हणटा तो पिक्चर जे आसा न्हू, आमी मिस्टेक करता. पिक्चर जे आसा वी आर कंपेरिंग इट टू अ बॉलिवूड फिल्म. वी शुड नॉट कंपेअर आवर गोवन फिल्म्स टू अ बॉलिवूड फिल्म. वी शुड give this Goan film, we should take this movie to people where people are there, not necessary to show it in multiplex and big theaters, because the comparison जाता. अरे हिंदी फिल्म आसा आणि गोवन फिल्म, डेफिनेटली पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर हिंदी फिल्म. बट जरी तर आमी पिक्चर व्हेलें ज्या जाग्यार लोक आसा, मंगलोरियन लोक, आतां हांवें पयले फेस्टिवल चलतालो थिंगासोर, फेस्त आहले, थिंगासोर पिक्चर व्हेलें आनी थिंगा दाखयलें, पीपल आर गोइंग टू अप्रिशिएट मोर. थिंगासोर लोक जे आसा ते कोंकणी फिल्म सोदतात. They don't like to watch Bollywood film. They want to watch film which resembles their culture. त्यांचे कल्चराक रिझेंबल जाता. आणि बेंडकार असले फिल्म आसा, जावई नंबर 1 असे पिक्चर आसा जे डायलॉग, जे वर्ड्स आसा, जे लँग्वेज आसा तांकां लायक जाता, ते असोसिएट जाता. सो पिक्चर जे आसा न्हू, आमी म्हाका दिसता एक सेपरेट थिएटर करचो आणि ह्या लोकांकडे पावोवचे, लोकांकडे पिक्चर व्हरचे, रेदर दॅन वी आर पुटिंग द फिल्म वेअर कंपॅरिझन बॉलिवूड and there is a Hollywood film. We cannot put the films there. Definitely people are going to go for Hindi. But when there is a Konkani film, at a side theater there is another Konkani film. And on screen 3 there is another Konkani film or regional film going on. That time people are going to watch this Konkani film and comparison will be done only between this. Rather than comparing to Bollywood. To compare Bollywood, how can we compare so many crore film to a 150 crores film? Like, we cannot compare it. We are different, and we have to show our films where people are going to watch. I mean, people are going to. We have to take the film there, build a separate theater maybe where there is another Konkani film in screen 2, on screen 3 another Mangalorean film or a Goan film, whichever is running. That time I'm telling you, एक डिफरंट माइंडसेट येतलो लोकांचो. लोक थिंगासर वतले पळोवपाक थिंकिंग दॅट देर इज नो हिंदी फिल्म गोइंग ऑन इन सम अदर थिएटर, देर इज ओनली अ कोंकणी फिल्म गोइंग ऑन इन नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन. हे हांव पळयतलो, सांजचे हांव तें पळयतलो अशें. सो फूल डे पीपल आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड देयर क्वालिटी टाइम वॉचिंग अ कोंकणी और अ मंगलोरियन, गोवन मंगलोरियन फिल्म्स ओवर देयर. दॅट समथिंग शूड कम. डेफिनेटली हांव तुका सांगता इंडस्ट्री जातली.
हिस्ट्री डेफिनेटली, क्योंकि आता मराठी फिल्म येताले, मराठी फिल्मांत मुस्तू जाण पडले. मराठी फिल्म आयल्यार मुंबय वच मराठी फिल्मा पडटा मुस्तू जाण येतात, बट सेम रेस्पॉन्ड आमकां कोंकणी घेना. अँड सेकंडरी आता लास्ट इयर आमी मुस्तू फेस केले. बेंडकर, निर्मिले आणि मँगलोर टू गोवा 3 मुवी उठूक शूट जाले. तिनी मुवीन फर्स्ट निर्मिले रिलीज केले, ताज्या उपरांत निर्मिले म्हण एक मँगलोरांत आसा म्हण बेंडकर आमी दुबयंत रिलीज केले. दॅट इज द इश्यू. उठूक रिलीज करूंक मस्त प्रॉब्लेम जावन लोक येते ना फिल्माक कोंकणी. सो ताका तुजे काय मेसेज आसा कोंकणीच्या लोकांक फिल्म पळोवंक येवंक?
तेच म्हणटा तुका तेच सांगता. वी हॅव टू सी आमचे ऑडियन्स खंय आहा थिंगा पळोवपाक जाय आणि ऑडियन्सा कडेन पिक्चर व्हरपाचें. रेदर दॅन टेलिंग पीपल लायक दिस इज मल्टीप्लेक्स, हिंदी फिल्माय आसा, कम एंड सी. Okay, so we cannot say that. We have to take the film there, and not only my film, our film Benkar, even Nirmala Nirmone and other Konkani films which are there, we show it in those theaters, separate theaters. I feel tingasor asle ala no ek lok tingasor. If you want audience, but if you want to just show it where there is this thing, then definitely there will be comparisons जातलेच. कित्याक definitely supposing सायडीक फिल्म चलता सूर्यवंशी सपोज रिलीज आणि आमचे कोंकणी फिल्म घातले, डेफिनेटली पीपल आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर सूर्यवंशी बिकॉज ऑफ द पब्लिसिटी. दे have made publicity all over India, and our language Konkani is known by Mangalore and Goa and people who are there in the world. Definitely Hindi is the national language and people are definitely going to go for Hindi film now. So we have to target audience where people are Konkani speaking and we have to show it over there. That is what I am trying to say. ना जाल्यार आमचे पिक्चर डब करपाचे and I have to show it on Setmax or Netflix. Dub करून dubbed. If South Indian films can be dubbed and showed in Hindi, then why not Konkani films also dub and show it all over the world? That is also another thing which can happen.
Yeah, we can try that, Sanglabari. Okay. आता नवी
मला
आर्टिस्ट
कळलं,
कोंकणी कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रींचो नवी नवी जण येतात तांकां
Yes.
कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीक येयची जाल्यार व्हॉट इज युअर सजेशन?
Konkani industry, yeah, definitely. My suggestion is that obviously you should have some fixed job because ingasor tuka portun chance meotlo you cannot say, and whichever opportunity you get, opportunity ji येयली तुका कोंकणी फिल्मान त्यांना 100% दी, okay, 100% दी and give your best because movies are less. If you do your best, more directors will approach you, more directors will get to know you, and you will get more offers. But definitely finance budget is less. You are not going to be paid in lakhs and crores. Okay, that is not going to happen. But your work should be like lakh or crore. Your work should speak. Okay, and definitely tomorrow that thing also will happen. Okay, that thing also will happen, and definitely industry is growing, and I'm very positive about it. Hope is there, a big positivity is there, and people are there because माझे दोळ्या मुखार हांवें पळयलें लास्ट इयर 9 कोंकणी फिल्म्स येयल्ले आसात, फर्स्ट टाइम जाल्ले आसा. सो यू कॅनॉट गो एंड से ओ नथिंग इज हॅपनिंग इन कोंकणी फिल्म एंड वी हॅव टू run in Bollywood or we have to run over there. Definitely Bollywood offer comes, which I am doing also, but Konkani is the main priority. If I get a good role in Konkani, definitely I should try in the Konkani film industry. And important thing is Bollywood actors Konkani filman काम करतात. जॅकी श्रॉफ, वर्षा उसगांवकर, शहनाज पटेल, टिकू तलसानिया, सुलभा आर्या, so many actors have acted in Konkani film. Even
जॅकी श्रॉफ,
जॅकी श्रॉफ सोलकरी पिक्चरान कोंकणी उलयला तो. ओके,
कांतार
उलयला तो कोंकणी.
कांतार एस्तर नोरोनाचे कांतार फिल्मान ती.
कांतार आणि सोलकरी, तेजे पयलीं सोलकरी पिक्चरांनी जॅकी श्रॉफ आसलो, and I played his son-in-law in the movie, and it was a great film. Solkari was there. Then Kantar also. So nice it is. Like Jackie Shroff also hangasor येवन कोंकणी उलयला. So I'm saying if Bollywood actors can come and speak Konkani language, then definitely some hope is there, and I can see a lot of hope actually. I can see a lot of hope. खूप
Yeah,
बरें
that is
दिसता.
the
Queenie
आमकां
said
आतां
hello.
बॉलिवूड
Hi.
सिंगर्स येवन आसात.
Arman, see,
Bollywood
that's what.
singer.
Arman Malik also, and even not even Arman Malik, Sonu Nigam was also there in Savaria.com. He also sang a Konkani song. So, खूपशे asat, and people are showing interest. Bollywood actors are showing interest. Even Shankar Mahadevan has sung a Konkani song. Dislo re dislo, Kuzwad maka dislo. That also a Konkani song Shankar Mahadevan sang. So the noted actors, even Usha Uttap sang a Konkani song. So, and there are many people. Hema Sardesai is there. Remo Fernandez is there. Okay, emerged to sing this song and also act. So, बरेच खूप.
Yes, definitely. So, and
Myself, Michelle. Hi.
so ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐಸಾರು
Suhail.
ಚಾನ್ಸ್
Hello.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐಸಾರ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ कोणाक पुरो क्वेश्चन ऐसारूंक आसात तो विचार.
Sonia, $1 million girl. Hello. Hi. Charles Kid joined. Hello. Yes. I think most of the questions you already asked and people got the answer.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, what's in your background, Kevin? Wall poster or what? Background looks like New York. Okay, and एक घरा एक असो स्टुडिओ करपाचो म्हणजे मनान आसलें आनी एक डेफिनेटली बरो दिसता and it looks nice. So I म्हणलें हिंगाच बसया आनी इंटरव्यू दिवया. So Danny Apple Castellino joined. Hi Castellino, are you someone related to Cyril Castellino? Just asked. Okay, so what's the background? Kela, yes, I answered. Looks like New York, I think. New York, this stuff, something like that. Yeah, someone's house might be there in New York. Someone is watching. Sonu Nigam. Rangane.
Which song he
Okay, Sonu
sang?
Nigam. Which song he sang? In Savare.com he sang one song. फूल ही खिलता ना नर नर something like that. Okay? Savarya, 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 Savarya.com he sang a Konkani song. Nathan joined. Hi. Savarya.com is a Konkani film and Marathi film also. So, and there are Marathi actors and as well as Konkani actors. So, two language films करतात लोक. So, थिंगासोर सोनू निगमान म्हटलेले and name of the movie is Savarya.com. Stellan said hi, hi. Savarya.com was when I was not even in Konkani industry. That time I saw this film. Sarah Gladwin joined. Hi. Savlika C joined. Hello. Hi, Savlika.
Okay, so इतले मिस्टर आम्ही कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीत हे पळयले. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट करचे जाल्यार व्हॉट चेंजेस यू नीड इन इंडस्ट्री?
Uh, Fernandez Joseph joined. Okay. But main, I think, Mare. Hi, glad. Main, म्हणता ते मरे main hero of the film is the script. Okay. You don't want to see a copy paste of Bollywood films in Goan films or Mangalore films. You don't want to see copy paste. You don't want to see same thing what you see in movie Singham, Simba. Like same thing if you do in Goan industry, people are not going to appreciate. Copycat म्हणता तुका. So main thing is the script, originality, the association of your language. I mean the place, the location, what you are there. I mean the story should associate a lot and should touch the audience heart. If it touches, and the story should be good, unique and different, people should love. And main hero of the movie Ajune Munta, not only in the world, people say, not today's world, it is not about hero and heroines. Amitabh Bachchan, like, people are going to watch the hero of the film. Today people are going for the story. Okay, people are going for the story. तुमची बरी आसत जाल्यार कोणी actor आसो, definitely people are going to love the film. Okay, so Jovini, hi. So people say the main hero of the movie in today's world is the story, not the hero, not the heroine, no one, but the story समज असली बरी जाल्यार definitely people love to act also in the film, something different also. Otherwise करताना कितें दिसता न्हू, करताना अशें दिसता न्ही, अरे हे आमी पळयलां मरे, सेम करता. In the middle of the movie only your this should not go, like, mood should not go off. It should, oh, I'm doing something new. People are going to watch something new, and definitely you're going to love it. And today's I'm seeing web series poita hu, and web series kana poita na no, everything is new, man. You have not seen something like that. Story is unique, different, reality, hard hitting stories. Yes, all poita no, then I'm munta अरे मावा या आणि कितें मूवी थिएटर फाल्यां आसची ना, फाल्यां वेब सिरीज आसतली, नेटफ्लिक्सर पिक्चर घालचे पडटले आमचे फाल्यां. आनी आय कॅन सी इवन South Indian films, dubbed films are going there, and also Bengali films are also dubbed in Hindi. So I'm just saying, why not a Konkani film tomorrow in Netflix? That will be something new, right? I mean, munta Konkani film theatre and be, but why not a Konkani film on Netflix, man? What do you think? Isn't a good
No,
idea? Jarish,
I think we are trying.
Any
Okay,
minute is high.
okay.
Definitely mellow high. Yeah.
Kaliman, special experience like you were watching a movie with some fans or friends. But negative एक एक बुटी सांगतात film तशें जाय जाल्ले, film तशें जाय जाल्ले. What is your reaction when you get that?
Actually, but when I sit with my father, he is a director, he is a script writer, he is a very good actor. When I sit with my father, my daddy वांगडा बसताना picture पळयताना daddy म्हाका सारको best negative critic is my dad. Okay, good idea, Sarji, Carol. Yes, Kella. So best person is negative to tell me is my dad. My dad, whatever he tells me, next time I don't repeat the mistake. So daddy म्हाका सगळे सांगता हे कितें हे अशें करपाचें न्हू तुवें, अरे हे ते सेम डान्स स्टेप रिपीट केले, एक्टिंगान तुवें हे अशें केलें तशें केलें. Like he tells me a lot of things which I take, like which I Varsha Kutina, hi. So which I take like in a positive way, and definitely I don't repeat the mistake. So my dad is a very good critic. He tells me rather than other people tells me, my dad tells me perfectly, like and I understand. And whenever people try to tell me something, okay, a fan will definitely tell you all good things, and I'm thankful to them. But my dad is the best critic. He tells me म्हाका सांगता अशें कितें केलें तुवें आनी रिपीट करप न्ही. सो वेन एवर आय वॉच विथ माय डॅड आय टेल माय डॅडी म्हाका घरा मागीर सांग. डोंट टेल नाव, टेल मी लेटर. मागीर सांग म्हाका कितें तें. इन गुड मूड आहा, सगळे आयकतलो हेजो. वर्षा कुटीना सेड हॅलो हाय.
Okay,
Yes,
always I heard
same.
about your dad also is a good drama artist or actor. ताजे
Yes.
विशयान he's a main inspiration to तुका actor जावंक.
Yes, yes, and he has written a lot of books, okay, all in the letter K. Kolakar, Kalaniya. That's the reason I also got my name in K, Kevin, and my sister Karen, and my cousin sister Kimberly. So all in K. So Kevin used to buy this costume for the next film every night in the shoot, for the next day's shoot, that I remember, yes. So what costume is saying. So there's म्हणटा go on industry in costume na. So definitely Kella next film you have to see about the costume. Okay. But yeah, so what I was saying is my dad is a very good script writer. He has won a lot of awards. So definitely he's a very good I mean he has a lot of books. So म्हणता की he has even won an award for all Goa level for script. So and I have done a new short film with him in on his idea called Azadi. That short film got good views, and एक like taking my dad's ideas, if I like it, like we associate and we do something, like next short film also we might plan. Daddy की interest next picture किती तरी concept. He tells me like that, and his concepts are also different. Where are you, sir? Muzaffar. I'm in Goa, my friend, at home, and I made this background look like this studio looks like a studio actually, and it's my home, by the way. Raylon Quadros joined. Hi.
Okay, Kevin. Okay, next film येता ना. We are not getting as this one
Yes,
payment.
joining Azadi. What? Sorry.
आम्ही फिल्म
What is
करता नेक्स्ट आता तुका ऑफर येता ना आमकां चड जावन
Hmm.
तुमचो फेस जावन आसा म्हणल्यार पेमेंट्साचे. What do you
Uh,
suggest for the director and what about the audience? What do you suggest them?
See, what is there now? But like looking as for I don't know, but mistake करता काय I don't know. But कितें we should know that we are at the initial stage of Konkani cinema. Okay, and starting what we have to ask the director or the concerned person who is offering you the role, the character, the what you are playing. Okay, you should like it. There are sometimes movies which I get where they offer me, they pay me a lot, okay, but the character you don't like it. So character like जाना तो acting करपाक तुका एक हें येना, but for they are giving you good amount, you do it. अशें केन्ना पर्यंत करतलो? So you don't like it. Sometimes you like a particular role, a character, but the payment is less. So I will definitely take up a role where the payment is less. Okay, the payment is less, but it's a good role. It's a good character. It appeals you. It appeals you hard. You feel like doing it. That is important. Or you feel when a person is giving you a lot of this is your amount, and you don't like the role, but you have to do it. Which one you will like? तो कोणाला किती बरेचसे तू सांग मला. Godwin, you will like a role where you want to do it but payment is less, or you would like to do, someone is offering you lakhs of rupees and do it but you don't like it. तुका like ना, but तुका करच्या पडटा because he's giving you good amount. So what you will do?
No, I never
Hi.
gonna do that role. I never gonna do that role because for this
So
career I took nearly 14 to 15 years I think for struggle.
correct. Yes.
Even first movie जाऊन या मस्त कष्ट काढलं, so I never go for it. I will check.
Hmm.
Okay, payment मागिरी करूया तर नाव झालं आपण
Definitely, definitely. So that's what I'm trying to tell. People, lot of youngsters, what they ask, how much will I get paid? Whenever you offer, I've seen this in my eyes. They say, how much will I get paid? But they don't ask, what is my role? What is my character? What am I playing? And okay, this is the character. Wow. That they should ask first. That they should like first. Then the payment comes. Then the payment comes movie. And when you like it now, definitely you're going to give your whole heart and soul for it. And then people I've just seen many of the youngsters are just asking like माझे पेमेंट कितले मेळटले म्हाका पर डे कितले मेळटले सो लाईक दॅट ऑल्सो दे आस्क पर डे हाफ डे per hour how much I will get per scene. My God. So that is, I don't feel it's a right thing to ask. You should ask, when will I get the script, when will I get a proper rehearsal? And I want to know more about the character. I want a rehearsal. I want how to say this dialogue in this way. अशें म्हटल्यार कशें जातलें डान्स करतना रिहर्सल मेळटलो म्हाका I want to do a proper rehearsal for dance so that I look. So these are the questions should be asked actually. That it's a hard work actually. It doesn't it looks easy for people who see, but खूप hard work असा आणि हांव खूप practice करतालो whenever next day scene, and when your scene is with Varsha ma'am and Prince Jacob, you have to do rehearsal. If you have to do a thorough rehearsal, so you don't have to do any mistake there. If mistake happens, it's a minute mistake, not a big mistake.
ओके दॅट्स अ ग्रेट टॉकिंग विथ यू. बरे झालं तुझ्या उलोवन बरी बरी ना तुझी कळली कोंकणी.
Yes.
ओके आता बेंडकर मुवीचे स्क्रिप्ट आयले वेळार यू डिड तुवें हाजे मुवी केले जावई नंबर 1 केले हॅरिस सरट्टू. बेंडकर मुवीचे तना तुका सेम फॅमिली स्टोरीच आसा, बट बेंडकर इज ए मस्त ओल्ड इन्स्ट्रुमेंट. आता डीजेच्या टायमार बेंडकरचे स्क्रिप्ट आयला. तुझे एक्सपिरियन्स चलता गे फिल्म म्हळ्यार एक थॉट येता न्ही फर्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट वाचताना, ओके फिल्म काले जायत मुखार हे फिल्म चलता गे म्हळ्यार वेंडकर ऑलरेडी आउट ऑफ डेट जाला उणे प्रोग्रामांनी. सो व्हॉट वॉज द थॉट व्हेन यू गॉट दॅट स्क्रिप्ट?
Yes, when Harry Fernandez gave me Zawai number 1, I definitely said whichever next opportunity he gives me, I will take it. And so जेन्ना हॅरी फेर्नांडीस सरान म्हाका जावई नंबर 1 दिल्लो तेन्ना नेक्स्ट पिक्चर जेन्ना म्हाका ऑफर केल्लो बेंडकार, सो तेन्ना म्हाका कळ्ळें की हें समथींग डिफरंट आसा, टोटली डिफरंट सिरियस टॉपिक आसा. आयज कालचे भुरगे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट वाजयतले काय ना, एन इन्स्ट्रुमेंट प्रिजर्व करून दवरपाचे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. आयज कालचे भुरगे टुडेज यूथ दे आर गोईंग फॉर म्युझिक लायक डीजे दीस एंड दॅट. सो a trumpet instrument, we have to save it, we have to save the culture, we have to save this, and this is the movie about. And on a serious note, when I saw this movie in the theateran jenna हे picture पळयल्लें न्हू तेन्ना म्हाज्या दोळ्यान दुकां येयल्लीं हें पळोवन. एंडाक the ending scene was so nice, about the trumpet, and people just loved it, and there were tears in people's eyes. I can see whenever people from the theater got up and they came outside the theater, there were tears in the eyes of people. So people loved it. People loved it.
Yeah, even दुबईन ती शोज जाल्ले पळयले सुमार जणांचे बरे रिव्ह्यूज जाल्ले युट्यूबार पळयले ना, सुमार जाणांक लायक जाला बेंडकर मुवी मुज जाणांक. बट ऍज ए फर्स्ट टाइम यंगस्टर जावन चिंता ना म्हाका सुमार जाणां म्हणले बेंडकर एक नाव गी, बेंडकर एक फिल्म चलता गी. बट इट गेव ए गुड म्हळ्यार मॅक्सिमम सगळ्यांक लायक जाला फिल्म. इट वॉज अ गुड ऑलमोस्ट when the name was there बेंडकर म्हळ्यार सगळ्यांचे बेंडकर ओल्ड जाले चलता. बट थिएटरा गेले सगळ्यांनी लायक केले, मुजांनी मुवीक बरे सपोर्ट केला.
Yeah, thanks to Harry Fernandez. I mean, you should have experienced directors like him. त्याच्या भशेन experienced directors जे आहा they know what हे तो जाणा, he knows it, and especially Goan audience and Mangalore audience कितें जाय, he knows it. He has done a research, he has a experience over it. And this topic about trumpet to save the culture, it is a real culture, it is happening. People are just leaving and going for electronic music. हो जो instrument असा, suppose light गेली, electronic बंद जातलें, but जे trumpet सदांच चलतलो. And this is a good time, quarantine time, you are at home. People who have instrument trumpet, they can play, they can practice at home. So very good time. And definitely once this quarantine time is over, definitely people are going to come and watch the movie Bandkar again in theaters. People are waiting for it. लोक रावतात, लोक अशे येतात. शानिया सिल्वेरा, हाय.
Okay, we had a good talk about the Konkani industry. आता तुका हांव डायरेक्शन करूंक दिला, what will be your subject for the Konkani industry?
डायरेक्शन करू दिलं. ओके, ऍक्च्युली म्हाका सांगल्यार डायरेक्शन करपाक लेगीन समथींग डिफरंट, समथींग युनीक. म्हाका दिसता आयज काल जे वेब सिरीज येता पळय, वेब सिरीज तेचेर सारखे युनीक डिफरंट टॉपिक्स आसा, अशे टॉपिक जे लोकांनी पळोवंक ना. ओके, सो न्यू टॉपिक, न्यू थिंग्स, what is happening currently in Mangalore, what is happening currently in Goa. Okay, people should associate it like, अरे हे खरेंच घडटा मरे, and definitely people are going to definitely like it. Associate जावपाक जाय. Like, if you do some film which is लोकांक कनेक्शनूच जायना, अरे हे आनी कितें लोकांनी चिंतलें सपोजींग, आनी हे आनी कितें पळयता हांव, तशें जावप उपकारना. पीपल शूड असोसिएट, अरे हे आमच्या जिवितान घडटा मरे, इट इज हॅपनिंग, हे अशेंच घडटा. लायक that is what the main is, and I am doing a next short film on this topic only. What is happening in and around your place? Are we really observant, or we are just like taking life for granted? We have to see what is happening in and around your surroundings, so that is very important. Okay, and what are today's youth doing? That is also a separate topic. Are parents knowing what the youth is doing? Are they observant what youth are going through? So that is very important topic of today's world. How to handle kids. You don't know what the kids are going to do. 24/7 तुझे हेडाचे CCTV camera na no, you to see what your kids are going and what they are doing. So this is the main question which is running in the mind of lot of people, and definitely you should be observant what is happening in your neighborhood. Like, you should know what is happening in your area. Like, that is very important. Then rather than being in your dream world and doing dream fantasy films which are non-existent, whatever is happening, जे जाता, जे घडटा तेच करप, that is important. Isn't it beautiful? So I would like to take us which is actually happening in and around your locality, which is happening in and around your place. So that is important.
Okay.
Web series, I see something like that. Oh my God, this is happening, man. Okay, yes.
Almost आम्ही end या season जे पटलन last finish जाऊन गेलं. Last question. Kevin, Mangalore people can understand Goan Konkani clearly, but it's little difficult for a Goan people to understand Mangalore Konkani. What can you say for this?
Nothing like that. Goan people have loved Mangalorean films. Sophia, when I went to see Sophia was houseful. I didn't get ticket to watch Sophia. So, and Nashiba's Khel also I've seen, and people are, and see, this movies look like a movie. Okay, and they don't have difficulty in understanding Mangalorean language. They love the language, and even I went and saw this movie. Okay, when are you coming to Mangalore? Green Chili. Very soon, whenever the next Bandkar film is there, definitely, why not? I will come. Yes, so I was. So I will. What I was saying is that I forgot what I was saying. क्या बोल रहा था मैं?
Mangalorean language.
How was the experience working in CID? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Mangalorean language. People are understanding. Yeah, Goan love the language. Whoever are saying, some people are telling me, why did you dubbed in Goan language? We wanted to see in Mangalorean language only. लोक सांगता म्हाका की कित्याक मँगलोर डब केलें, आमकां मँगलोर ओरिजिनल पळोवपाक जाय. अरे पीपल, लोक डिफरंट भाशेन उलयता, बट कितें आसा, इट्स अ गुड आयडिया दोन लँग्वेजीन केलें तें. आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी विथ इट. हाऊ वॉज द एक्सपिरियन्स वर्किंग इन CID? Very good. Isn't it beautiful? Said very good experience. That was my first Bollywood calling of TV series on Sony TV, CID. Okay, can I answer this question? How was the experience working in CID? Can I answer this question, Godwin? Okay. So शिवाजी साटम केन्ना तेज्या वांगडा रोल मेवलो म्हाका, तेन्ना लोकांनी म्हाका भियलो, सांगले हाऊ विल यू फेस हिम, कसो तेका फेस करतलो तूं. ओके, तेका फेस बिकॉज शिवाजी साटम दोळ्यान दोळे घालून दाखय. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. एंड म्हजो डायलॉग हांवें बाहेट केलो, गेलो थिंगासोर, आनी दोळ्यान दोळे घालून डायलॉग गन धरून डायलॉग मारलो. जेन्ना हांवें डायलॉग मारलो, दॅट टायम म्हाजो रोल जो आसा इन्क्रीज जालो. दे इन्क्रीज माय रोल, आनी म्हाका थ्रू आउट द एंड एज अ मेन विलन दवरलो तेणी इन CID मिशन गोवा. And that was my very good experience working with CID ACP शिवाजी सटम, दया अँड अभिजित त्यांच्या वांगडा काम करप एक डिफरंट एक्सपिरियन्स असलो अँड दे लव्ड माय परफॉर्मन्स. आणि पीपल जस्ट मेक यू स्कॅर्ड. पीपल लोकूय असता न्हू तुझ्या अराउंड वेन एवर यू एक्टिंग इट इज नॉट इझी. आय एम टेलिंग यू, पीपल मेक यू स्कॅर्ड when you act with celebrity. How will you act with them, like very difficult, dangerous, like that. But nothing, they are also human being. Okay, nothing, you have to be confident and तेज्या वांगडा काम करपा जाय. लोक तुका जायते म्हणटले, but you have to be confident. You should know yourself well and you have to just be confident and definitely you are going to do it. And that's what I did in CID and role. People appreciate me for that role. Anisha Nazaret, hi. Yes. So I answered the
Okay,
question on CID.
so it's a good experience, I think. Tuka Antu, are you playing to do Zawai
Are you
number 2?
planning Zawai
Planning
number
to
2?
do.
Are you planning to? Yes, actually, Zawai number 1 was my dream role. Actually, why dream role was in that movie I danced in that movie and the songs were good, and also there was a fighting scene. Fighting scene was there. Okay, so that was my turning point of my career, Zawai number 1. And if Zawai number 2 is coming, definitely I would love to do it. Okay, and it's a comedy film, and first time in the lead role I've done a comedy. So and it worked. And हे झाले because of Harry Fernandez, Varsha Zonkar, Prince Jacob, and all the artists of the film. Lovely. Even Deepak Paladka was there. Okay, Ranjita Lewis was there. So it was very good. And they helped in publicity. Deepak Paladkan खूप publicity केली in Dubai and everywhere. Mishu D'Souza joined. Hi. So, sir, your expressions are too good. Okay, Miss Footballer. Thank you, Miss Footballer. Thanks a lot.
Okay,
Okay, so
तुझे एक्सपिरियन्स बरं. बट वन थिंग, कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीन पयशे गेल्ले पाटी मेळटात की केविन एज अ प्रोड्युसराक?
Gaudi is the hero of Zawai number 2. Gaudi. Yes, Gaudi. Congratulations. Yes. So, yeah, your question was Kokani industry picture producer. Yeah. What is there, Godwin? एक पडी डेफिनेटली पयशे जे आसा न्हू ते तुवें बरें प्लॅन करपाक जाय. यू हॅव टू प्लॅन. दॅट्स वॉट आय एम ट्रायंग टू से. आमी जे फिल्म जे आसा न्हू ते कंपेर डायरेक्ट घालपाक वयता जिंगासर बॉलिवूड फिल्म नेक्स्ट स्क्रिना कडेन बॉलिवूड फिल्म आसा थिंगा घालपाक वयता. सो डेफिनेटली लोक जे आसा बॉलिवूड फिल्माक वयतले. सो आमी जे पिक्चर जे घातले न्हू जिंगासर कंपॅरिजनाक एक रिजनल लँग्वेज फिल्म आसा सायडीक. नॉट इवन गोवन, एक रिजनल लँग्वेज फिल्म आसा. डेफिनेटली जो थिंगासर येयला तो पळयता स्क्रीन 1 एक रिजनल फिल्म आसा. स्क्रीन 2 दुसरे मराठी फिल्म आसा. स्क्रीन 3 कोंकणी फिल्म आसा. स्क्रीन 4 असले एक थिएटर एक जालें फॉर स्पेशल रिजनल सिनेमा जो आमचो गोंया एक आसा ESG म्हणून. In ESG they are only showing कोंकणी films and some regional films, some festival films. असे थिएटर सेपरेटली जाले न्हू. डेफिनेटली तुका सांगता हांव कंपॅरिजन जावचें ना. डेफिनेटली लोक जे आसा जे येतले आमी रिजनल फिल्मूच पळोवपाक वयता. सो कंपॅरिजन जावचें ना. आनी लोक रिकवरी फास्ट करतले. ओके, वेन वी पुट इट इन बिग मल्टीप्लेक्स बरें आसा. वी हॅव टू पुट इट, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट पुट इट फॉर अ 1 week. समज हे कंटिन्युअसली एक 1 month घातले देन प्रोड्युसर इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिकवर बिकॉज पीपल आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गो फॉर हिंदी फिल्म. सो ते थिंगासर घातले जिंगासर रिजनल फिल्म्स आसा ऑल अराउंड. एंड जे लोक आसा जे रिजनल फिल्मूच पळोवपाक वयतले, मे बी अ मराठी, मे बी अ बेंगॉली, मे बी अ कोंकणी, लोकांक लायक जातले आनी रिकवरी फास्ट जातले. सो दॅट इज वॉट द प्रोड्युसर हुएवर इज डुईंग फिल्म शूड नोट डावन. आनी थिएटर एक सेपरेट जावपाक जाय कोंकणी फिल्माक ते खातीर. सो इतले एक्टर्स येयले, सगळे बॉलिवूड एक्टर्स येयले, एक थिएटर एक स्पेशल जावपाक जाय ओन्ली फॉर रिजनल फिल्म्स. आनी असले जाग्यार जावपाक जाय जिंगासर लोक येतले पळोवपाक. ओके, कोंकणी स्पिकींग ऑडियन्स आसा थंय थिंगा घालपाक जाय. कोंकणी स्पिकींग ऑडियन्स आसा जे येतले थंय नियर बाय टू डॅट थिएटर येवपाक जाय. डेफिनेटली पीपल आर गोइंग टू रिकवर. दॅट्स वॉट आय एम थिंकिंग.
Okay, it's a good thing.
Yes.
Shadow Hopeless very up. What is that? I didn't get that.
Some code word, I think.
Okay, let it be. I mean, next question है क्या? So almost इतली वर्सां तूं इंडस्ट्रीन काडली. सो वॉट अबाउट द हिरोईन्स? एव्हरी फिल्मान चड जावन नवे नवे हिरोईन्स येतात.
Mumbai premiere of Bandha, very good. Yes. Very not only just heroines, they are very talented people who are coming. Okay, they talented or they are already talented. They have already त्यांनी खूप prizes awards घेतलेले असतात. त्यांनी ब्युटी कॉन्टेस्ट बी जिंकलेले असतात. सो सगळे टॅलेंटेड एक्टर्स अँड एक्ट्रेसेस जे आसा, ओके, हिरोईन्स जे आसा, दे ऑलरेडी नो their craft very well. They know to sing. They are good singers. They are good dancers. They have good photographs. त्यांचे photographs बरे येयल्ले आसा. So त्यांका they already one step. त्यांनी already they know what they are doing, and it's now only about acting and doing your role, playing your role very well. So that is whenever they are acting in their first film, they give their 100%. And they खूप बरे आसा, like, you know, it looks like they have already acted in so many films, so already ready on, prepares on येतात. So it is not like they are new, they are facing the camera for the first time, nothing like that. They already know to done. Who is your favorite heroine? Zawai Bandkar, MMS Solkari. Okay, so he asked me. My favorite heroine is Varsha Usgaonkar.
ओके, हांव तेच क्वेश्चन विचारलो केविन.
बरे, yeah, Varsha ma'am, great to act with her. I would like to work with Varsha Usgaonkar again. Okay, it's I mean the Bollywood actress, the diva of Bollywood, Varsha ma'am, to act with her in Zawai Number 1 and Bandkar, amazing experience.
No, I was to ask, आता Mangalorian ताऊन सीमा बोतेलो, हेरा पिंटो, एस्तर, रंजिता लुईस, जावे नंबर 1 नायक नाव उडस ना म्हाका. नायसा.
Okay, Naisa is there, Josita is there, then Solkari Sonam is there, then MMS Maya is there. I mean, yeah, so many.
Who is your favorite now? Tell me, who is your favorite now?
Oh, okay, heroine. Actually, all are my favorite heroines. I cannot say because I'm going to work with them again, so I cannot say. But all are my favorite, and all are very good. They all are talented, and yeah, living Varsha ma'am. Yes, all are my favorite. Kella, all are my favorite. I like to work with them again. Any heroine who have acted with me, I would like to work with them again because we have already acted, and I've known their how they act, and it is really good. And my movies also have worked and it has become super hit also. So definitely I would like to work with them again.
Okay, आता तुका लायर काही मँगलोर इंडस्ट्रीन तुका ओके आता मस्त हिरो आसात. एल्टन आसा, आमचो प्रताप आसा, केविन तू आयलोय, सो आता हांव आयलो, सुमार हिरो आसात. विच इज तुका बरो कॅरेक्टर कोण दिसता मँगलोर तावन?
You're asking me whom I found good?
Who is your favorite?
In Mangalore. In Mangalore
industry. If you had to work with him for a next movie, with whom you will try to work?
In Mangalore industry, whom I would like to work? Actually, I would like to work with whoever Harry Fernandez associate me with. Because Harry Fernandez also na Mangalore industry in काम केले असा. So next film of, even if Harry Fernandez gives me any other hero to work with, definitely, why not, man? I will definitely work because he now knows my performance, he knows my acting, and he knows he will give me next role जो म्हाका दितलो तो definitely असलो दितलो जे हांवें पयलीं 2 पिक्चरान करूंक ना. So even I want to do something different if I am doing, and not the same what I have done. So definitely whichever Harry Fernandez gives me, he will give me the best. It is not like acting with an actor. I think it is the director who makes me feel like, like in Goa I have Joyvin Fernandez. Whichever I have acted with him in 4, 5 films, and whichever all my films, different roles he has given me. So that's what, like, I can see that in Harry Fernandez sir, whatever role he gives me and whichever actor, he will think good and give me good. So that is what I feel currently. So पुढे जे येतले ते येतलेच. Why not? I would like to work with God.
Which song is your favorite one in?
Which song is one favorite in Bandkar and Zawai Number 1?
Zawai Number 1.
Zawai Number 1 my favorite. Zawai Number 1 tuza Zawai Number 1. That are my favorite. I still hear it. I love that, and it's a dream like to work with in Zawai Number 1. माझो ड्रीम आसा, माझो ड्रीम जावई बरोबर काम करपाक. सो
Okay.
डेफिनेटली आय दॅट्स माय फेवरेट सॉंग.
Okay. So for today, we had a great time with
And
you,
it's
Kevin.
my favorite because I danced the song with Varsha Usgaonkar ma'am in that song. So
Yeah, yeah.
that's my favorite song because I dance with her. Yes.
Okay, Kevin, we had a great time. तर तुझ्या वाटतं बरे उलोवंक मेळ्ळें म्हाका मस्त टाइम स्पेंड
What
जालो,
about
बरी खुशी
Bankar?
जाली. Okay.
Bankar is my favorite too. He's asking me what
Okay.
about. He asked me to choose one favorite. I said Zawai number one. So he's asking me about Bankar. Bankar also is my favorite man. But he's asked me which is the best till now. हांव काल सुद्धा जावई नंबर वन सॉंग आयकतालो. So I love जावई नंबर song. Song is something. What I can tell you is different get up हे ते करून ते असा like you like and comedy. Everybody likes comedy. सांग.
Okay. So we had a great time, Kevin. Was a great session with you. You, me, celebrity. How you felt about the program?
Very good. And actually first time हांव व्हिडिओ कॉलाचेर येयला. हांवें केन्ना कोणाक व्हिडिओ कॉल करूंक ना. सो आय वॉज चेकिंग तुजे कॉल करतना एक चेक करतालो हांव व्हिडिओ कॉल कसो आसता. सो फर्स्ट टाइम हांवें व्हिडिओ कॉल हांवें केन्ना डायरेक्ट कॉल केला, व्हिडिओ कॉल केन्ना करूंक ना. सो फर्स्ट टाइम व्हिडिओ कॉल केला हांवें. सो लायव्ह गेला हांव फेसबुकार, व्हिडिओ कॉल केन्ना करूंक ना फर्स्ट टाइम. सो इट इज समथिंग डिफरंट युनिक. सर यू हू इन्स्पायर्ड यू टू बी एन एक्टर ओके. लोक विचारता म्हाका हू इन्स्पायर्ड टू यू टू बी एन एक्टर. And my dad inspired me to be an actor because तो स्वता एक actor आणि तेणे acting केल्लें आहा, direction केल्लें आसा. सो तेका पळोवन हांव inspire जाला. But when I was small, I grew up watching Bollywood films आणि म्हाका कोंकणी पिक्चरान समज कितें डिफरंट करपाक जाय जाल्यार get a Bollywood style in Konkani film. So that's what म्हजें मेन आसा. I don't get it regional style, I get it a Bollywood style, एक different feel दिता हांव. आणि तेच माझे मेन एम असलो आणि दॅट्स द रिजन हांव डिफरंट हांव एक्टिंग सुद्दां स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामान गेल्लो आणि एक्टिंग सुद्दां शिकलो, डिफरंट लँग्वेज शिकलो आणि आय कंटिन्यूड डुईंग इट. येस एक्टर येस.
Yes. Okay. Nice. So आजचे सेशन फुल तुझ्या वाटतं चालले प्रीमियर शोज ऑफ.
It was a good experience. Premiere show as a Mangalore premiere, Goan premiere. Okay, experience asking me good premiere. All premieres are very good. Goan premiere for me because my own people are coming to watch. आणि मंगलोरचे लोक जे आसा तो प्रीमियर म्हाका इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक खातीर, कित्याक जेन्ना हांव प्रिमियराक गेल्लो तेन्ना लोकांनी विथ द पीपल हू डोंट नो मी, म्हाका जे लोक वळखनात ताणे म्हाका असोसिएट केलो लायक दिस गाय दे केम एंड सेड यू एक्टेड रियली वेल एंड मेनी कमेंट्स केम. जे लोक तुका वळखनात ते तुका एप्रिशिएट करता पळय, दॅट इज द रियल फील which I got in Mangalore when I came to Mangalore, and I got the feedback from people and people loved it and people gave me blessings also. And Goan people also, when the same people who watch my other films come to see and tell me तुझे picture आहे 5 पाटी पहिले 100 पाटी पहिले, that also is a different feel. So both the premieres are very closely associated to my heart and I have a fixed audience also now. Whenever my next film is going to come, माझे audience रावल्यात नेक्स्ट पिक्चर केन्ना येतले हांव येता पळोवपाक. लोक म्हाका पयलींच विचारता नेक्स्ट पिक्चर केन्ना येतले. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर जावपाचें रिलीज जातलें. पिक्चर नांव आसा रोंग द कलर. ऑलरेडी हाफ द शूटिंग इज ओवर नाव. जस्ट 20% शूटिंग इज लेफ्ट. हे पिक्चर जातकूच व्हेरी सून म्हाजे पिक्चर रोंग द कलर इज गोइंग टू रिलीज एंड हियर आय हॅव डन अ डिफरंट रोल. यू आर गोइंग टू सी इट इन थिएटर्स.
Okay, guys.
How is you,
So-
Russell? I'm good, Russell.
Okay.
Russell, come to see my next new movie. Russell from Goa. He missed my other movies, Bankar and Zawai number one. I want to tell Russell Diniz to come to watch my next movie, Rong the Color in theater. Come to Goa even if you are in foreign country.
Okay. Kevin, I saw time up zala, so thank you for joining.
Yes,
आमकां
sure,
भारी
bro.
खुशी जाली. सो नेक्स्ट फाल्यां प्रोग्राम आसतले यू मी अँड सेलिब्रिटी. तिचं मेन कारण प्रोग्रामाचे कोंकणी भास मुखार हाडून आणि कोंकणी भाशेंत खंयची आर्टिस्ट आसा सगळ्यांची वळख करून दिवंक प्रोग्राम करना जावं. थँक्यू फॉर जॉईनिंग. वी हॅड अ ग्रेट टाइम. आणि कोरोना ह्या बिग टॉपिक सगळ्या घरा भितर आसात, इरिटेट जावन आसा. ताजे विशयान एक दोन काली उतरां. डिप्रेशन आसतात, घरातून भायर येवंक टाइम मेळटा ना.
येस, हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता डिप्रेशनान बी वचपाचें ना. केन्नाच आमकां हे टायम मेळोंक ना पळय. केन्ना आमी म्हणटाले पळय की एक दीस सुटी मेळचो, घरा रावचो, काय मेळना घरातले काम करपाक, एक सुटी होच तुका टायम मेळला, सुटी मेळला तुका, यू गॉट द holidays you got at home, घरा बसपाक टायम मेळला, so you can do lot of creative things. There are so many videos, tutorials on YouTube, how to learn new things, how to do proper exercise, how to learn cooking, how to do many things are there to learn just watching YouTube. And YouTube you can watch at home. YouTube बंद जावंक ना ते आसा, so sit at home and do something instead of thinking a lot of things, wearing mask, washing your hands and this, and lot of tension you get, this is that. I'm feeling just sit at home. What time मेळला सदांच आमी म्हणटाले की एक हॉलिडे मेळचो, लायक घरातले काम करपाक मेळना, एक हॉलिडे ना, घरा रावपाकूच मेळना, काम 24 hours आय एम वर्किंग हियर एंड देर, बट दिस इज द होम. यू आर नाव so many days, 21 days at home. It's a time to sit at home, watch YouTube videos, watch Netflix, watch so many things which you never got time in your life to do. What's घरा बसून तुका time मेळता पळोवपाक, so definitely make best use of it, because you're not going to get this time again.
Yes, thank you for this one and thank you for joining. So सगळ्यांकी तुझ्या स्टोरीज घालता राव आमच्या प्रोग्रामा विषयी आणि सध्या प्रोग्रामाक एक विजिट दी. Thank you for joining. ये program definitely it will be in YouTube soon.
YouTube, okay, thank you. I will definitely
Okay.
save it.
After 21 days आम्ही घालता ते program त्याला पण.
21 days, okay. Upcoming
Okay,
film.
yeah, for my next movie, आमच्या next movie
Mangalore to
Mangalore to
Goa.
Go and Alshi Rede.
Okay, nice. All the best, Godwin. All the best to you too.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Bless.
ओके, फाल्यां येऊनच्या सेलिब्रिटी विषयान ते सांगता तुमच्या या थँक्यू सेलिब्रिटी विग्गीचार येऊनचार आसा तुमच्या मध्ये, सो तांचे नाव मी सांगता. विग्गी तुमची क्वेश्चन रेडी करा फाल्यांच्या दिसा. इज अ गुड सेलिब्रिटी. सुमार जाणांक ह्या फावटी हायेस्ट लाईक जाल्लो सेलिब्रिटी तो कोण म्हणून सांगेत की फाल्यां येऊनच्या सेलिब्रिटीचे नाव ऑलरेडी म्युझिक प्ले केला हांवें एक फावटी. सो कोणाक येवडा आसा जाल्यार तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांक सांगा, जाल्लेतले येवंक सांगा. येस, एनीवन फाल्यांचे सेलिब्रिटीचे सॉंग प्ले करियेत की नाव सांगियेत की फाल्यां येवंचे सेलिब्रिटीचे. सो यू मी अँड सेलिब्रिटी हे प्रोग्रामाक तुमचे सहकार जाय, जे जाल्लेतले स्टोरी घाला, जाल्लेतले सगळ्यांक सांगा. फिल्म येवंच्या तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांक जॉईन जावंक. सेलिब्रिटी येत आसा तुमच्या खातीर येवंच्या प्रोग्रामांत तुमकां क्वेश्चन विचारूंक जाल्यार या इंडस्ट्रीन काम करूंक जाल्यार तांचे कडेन डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन विचारियेत. आनी जाल्लेतले तुमकां दिस प्रोग्राम ओनली फॉर यू यंगस्टर्स, म्हळ्यार चड यंगस्टर्सांक क्वेश्चन आसता आमी फिल्मांनी कशें काम करचें म्हूण, हे ताज्या खातीर आसा. सो तुमी या फ्री दिसांनी ह्या विशयान चिंतयेत, म्हळ्यार कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री मस्त मुखार व्हरची. आमी कोंकणी इंडस्ट्री विशयान मस्त चिंतून आसा. सो दिस इज द लास्ट सॉंग, ताजे उपरांत हांव सायन ऑफ करता आसा. थँक्यू फॉर जॉईनिंग यू मी अँड सेलिब्रिटी. जाल्लेतले तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांक सांगा जॉईन जावंक. आमकां जाल्लेतली क्वेश्चन जाय. इट्स हांवें फर्स्ट टायम ट्राय करचे अशे लाईव्ह शो सगळ्यां खातीर. सो आमी सगळ्या सेलिब्रिटी कडेन उलोवंक टायम मेळटा आमचे कडेन. फर्स्ट डे तो आम्ही बरे सेलिब्रिटी कडे डोल्लाम कडे उलयला, ताजे उपरांत लॉय कडे उलयला, पॅट्सना कडे उलयला, प्रज्योता कडे उलयला, आमच्या सिमो बुतेलो कडे उलयला, मुखार एस्तेरा कडे उलयतले हांव, वेलिटा लोबो, लविटा लोबो, रंजिता लुईस येता. सो हेरा पिंटो येता. एव्हरीवन इज कमिंग टू द शो. तुमचे सहकार आसूं दी फ्रेंड्सांक. प्रोग्राम आमकां मुखार व्हरचे बरे सहकार दिया. जाल्ले इतले तुम्ही शेअर करा, जाल्ले इतले स्टोरी घाला. सो एकदम तुम्ही सॉंग ऐका. पिसो पिटो आज तुम्ही नसल्या लाईव्हवर, तुम्ही जाल्ले ते चढाव जाऊन बिझी असता सगळी, बट पिसो पिटो केले बरो क्वेश्चन विचारता. सो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग लाईव्ह अँड इच अँड एव्हरी वन. सुमार जण असतात डेली येऊनची असतात, म्हाका सगळ्यांचे नाव येता. सो तुमचे नाव दवरता हांव. एक एकले येऊन वतात. डेफिनेटली सगळे बिझी असतात, बट डेफिनेटली प्रोग्राम जाल्ल्या उपरांत ती लाईव्ह तेच आयकॉनात असता. कोणी वॉच करियत फुल डे बसून. आज केविन डिमेलो टू फाल्यां येऊनचे आर्टिस्टाचे म्युझिक प्ले करणार आसा.
यादगी होता so take to party.
आम्ही टिकटॉक फॅन्सांकी जाल्ले ते टिकटॉकर आम्ही तुमचे टिकटॉकान गेला तर आतांचेर एक नवे घालता ओके आमच्या मध्ये केल्लाय असा केल्ला की हाय खंडीत मोर जॉईन जाता आम्ही डेफिनेटली जॉईन जाय तुमच्या फ्रेंड्सांकी सांगा जाल्लेतले स्टोरी करा सगळ्यांचं फेवरेट आणि एकच सॉन्ग केला रे इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सॉन्ग म्हणून यावर सगळ्यांच्या मोबाईलवर तेच सॉन्ग लिहिलं आम्ही जस्ट ऍक्ट केलं ऍक्ट करूंक काय व्हडली विषय ना बट वॉट ही डन इज अ ग्रेट थिंग हे सॉंग ताणें ताच्या कॉलेज लाईफ चिंतून केला सो ते क्वेश्चन तुमकां बरी बरी मेळटली फाल्यां Okay guys, we had a good time. सगळ्यांकी मेळया you, me and celebrity next time. Hi sir. Yes आणि next I think इल्ले जाण की पळयता बरे बरे आनी कोणी सजेशन आला बरे बरे जॉयल रुपेल सुमार आर्टिस्ट येवंचार आसात तुमी जाल्लेतले नमस्कार नमस्कार हॅलो 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 ऑलमोस्ट टाइम जाले सो सगळ्यांकी इट्स अ लास्ट 1 मिनिट थँक यू फॉर जॉईनिंग तुझ्या फ्रेंड्सांक सांगा इट्स अ लास्ट सुमार कुठे सांगले स्टोरी गेला स्टोरी गेल्ले बरे गुड नाईट हांव न्हिदतना 4 वरां जातात सकाळीची सो जाल्यार मी सर गुड मॉर्निंग सांगेत कोणे मेसेज कर कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना टेक केअर बाय बाय केला थँक्स फॉर जॉईनिंग केला बरी बरी क्वेश्चन विचारली बरी खुशी जाली म्हाका केला कडेन उलोवन ओके स्वीट ड्रीम्स एन्जॉय इवनिंग डेफिनेटली म्हाका हे रेकॉर्ड करूंक आसा हे लाईव्ह आमकां डायरेक्ट जायना आणि इल्ले सजेशन दिया तुमकां नेक्स्ट आर्टिस्ट कोण जाय नेक्स्ट वीक आमी सर मी ऑलमोस्ट बरे बरे आर्टिस्टांक लाईन अप केला नेक्स्ट आर्टिस्ट कोण जाय आमकां एक सर्ट जावन गोत्तो ना कोंकणी इंडस्ट्रीन तुमकां कोण लायक म्हूण सो डेफिनेटली एक पे करा ओके गाइस टाटा सी यू बाय बाय Okay, see you.